Yeah, everybody, we're going to be planting potatoes. And I'll give you a little see at the ones that are going great guns down the back there. So hang around and see how the last lot are growing. Now, I went and bought these cheap felt bags from Temu. They seem to be working well because they're the same ones I'm using down there. And all we're going to do is about half fill them with soil, put our spuds on, and these ones are, what are they? Norland. And I've got a few Mozart as well, and I forget what the other ones are down there. I should have kept a note. I'm bad at that. So anyway, all we're going to do, pop some potting mix in here, a bit of potash, a bit of general fertilizer, and a bit of chicken manure. And they should be good to go. So let's get a potting mix. Just using a very run-of-the-mill Aldi potting mix. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. All right, here we go. How much we're going to use? Pretty much the whole bag, I think. Remembering, we are going to top these up. So how many of the, let's say I've got, might leave them till last. Just the 3 of them. Let's get some potash in there. This is soluble potash, so we'll water it in well. Won't use all that, but good sprinkle. Some of our standard complete fertilizer, or NPK as I like to call it. A couple of handfuls of that. Somewhere around here, I've got chicken manure. I'm going to put in a really good whack of that to get them growing. Now we've got to dig that through, and luckily Temu gave me some tools to do so. I think I'll get the real one. A real shovel. So we're just going to dig that right through. As I said, that soluble potash will dissolve once we water. Open our bud packet. And let's have a look what we got. Just starting to sprout, which is good. I'll bury them right down towards the bottom. So come in and have a look. And we'll probably put 5 in here, mostly large ones. So we'll have 4 of the larger ones. And these little bitties can go in the middle, like so. Bury them right down towards the bottom. And we will actually label this one. Here we go. Use up some of those plastic Temu ones that came with my little planting kit. So I'm going to finish off the rest of these. We'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 more garden bags out of it, and I bought 5, so that's handy. But let's have a look how the other ones are going. They've been in a few weeks. I'm pretty pleased with what's going on. There we go. So I've got 2 different varieties in here. We walk down. And they are going great guns, except where I ran over them with my trolley. And there we are. These have still got quite some time to go. I've got to lift them back up, so I'll put a stake down here just to get them growing back and not get run over like I just did then. So let's get the rest of these in. We'll go and have a look at the ones up the back, which are another crop. Right, I've got my Mozart in here. They haven't come through yet by the look of it. Only been in about a week and a bit. But I'm going to put the rest of those Mozarts up here as well, and the Norlands. I've got to get these plants in soon. Still haven't got them in. I have been slack. So I'll get the rest of these bags in. Should give us hopefully enough spuds for a couple of months. But remember, if you want to see how they turn out, you're going to have to subscribe. Please like and share if you want. Do whatever you like. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.